Okay guys, so I bought 15 strawberries guys. I wanted more but they only have 15, so I got all. And I have more than 10 of these kind of lettuce. It is one of my favorites. And we have parsleys and another kind of lettuce. This one is marabilia or pickled guys. It's pickled or I don't know. And we have beautiful flowers that we are going to plant. Mulbe mormel, rosemary, another flower, thyme, oregano, and margaritas, daisies, or I think chrysanthemum guys. This one, sorry, chrysanthemum. Okay guys, so this is the small land that I excavated or that I dig yesterday, and now we are going to add organic soil. I mean, we are going to add organic material, yes guys, or organic soil, and we are going to plant. Yay! And I also have one in here, and maybe I'm going to plant the strawberries here or my herbs. Yes. Si cariño, just this. Huh? Kasbis, cariño? ¿Qué plantas la mamá? ¿Ah? Kasbis, ¿qué plantas la mamá, cariño? ¿Ah? Enciams. Do you like enciams? Sí, ¿qué sí? ¿Ah? Sí, dos tipos de enciam. ¿Qué? Sí. ¿Así? ¿Eubis? ¡Wow! Maraming! You know what, guys? Our Venus is giving birth. Or she just gave birth, I think. Okay, guys, so this is our lettuce bed. And they are so beautiful. Can you see? Yes, so this is the size, guys. So this is the size of our lettuce. And this one also, you know what, guys, this type of lettuce, this one, the leaves are very easy to wilt. Yeah, and this one, it's sturdy. This type of lettuce is sturdy and so nice.